Check it out, guys. Here's the mushroom bhaji that I've just made. Check it out. It's the green chili, the tomato, the coriander. Looks absolutely flavoursome. Give it a quick taste. Oh yeah. Spot on, guys. This is nice. Follow the recipe, make it yourself. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, we will be making mushroom bhaji. This has been requested a number of times. I've finally got round to doing this for you, so thank you for your patience. So what we've got here, so we've got 200 grams of mushroom, just cut into quarters. We've got half a tomato diced. We've got half an onion thinly diced as well. We've got some red chili. We've got some mixed curry powder, and we've also got some haldi powder as well. Now, if you don't want to use a chili powder, you don't have to. Now, I've got 2 cloves of garlic diced. I've got some green chilies, and I've also got coriander. Again, if you don't want to use green chilies, you don't have to. We're also going to be using kasuri methi, fenugreek leaf, oil, salt, and so forth. So this is going to be a mushroom bhaji. I'm going to be making this from scratch, so you don't need any base gravy. So let's crack on with the video. Alright guys, so I've got the pan on heat to make our mushroom bhaji. So let's crack on with that. So the first thing we're going to add is going to be, as you know, it's going to be oil. So we've got about 1.5 chef spoon of oil. Adding your garlic as well, which I just forgot. So there we go, adding the garlic. And what we're going to do here now is just wait for the onion just to get really caramelized and soft. Add salt to taste, so about half a tablespoon again. What the onion and tomato can allow us to do is make our curry sauce. So instead of the base gravy, we're going to be using this to make our mushroom bhaji sauce. Pinch shot kasuri methi, crush it. So the onion have started to soften, so we're going to add our tomato in here. There you go, you can see that the onion and the tomato have softened. So what we're going to do now, guys, is add in our spices. So don't forget, we've got 200 grams of mushrooms. So based on that, I'm going to use one and a bit of mixed curry powder, 1/4 of haldi powder, and I like my food spicy, so I'm going to add just under 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Give it a nice mix. So the remember, as all my videos, I sort of say take your time during this process when you've got the spices in. Really want to cook the spices well as I'm doing. So add a tiny bit of water. As soon as it dries up, add a bit more. Keep the heat on medium, slightly higher, slightly lower. As long as you don't burn the spice, that's absolutely fine. So what we're doing here is generally called bunafying the spices. So we're really cooking at the spice to get the flavours infused. Probably takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So as soon as it starts catching, the spices start catching to the pan, I'm going to add a bit more water. Alright, get these on. Okay, so it's been about 3 to 4 minutes while I'm cooking the spice, and I'm going to add in our mushroom. And turn the heat on high. And again, as soon as it starts catching, I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. And let the mushroom just cook now, guys. Just give it a mix every now and again. And add our final bit of water. Just enough just to cover it up. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're just going to let that reduce and cook the mushroom as well. Okay guys, so as you can see, the mushrooms are cooked, the sort of bhaji has dried up. So generally a bhaji is a dry dish, so if you want to, I would leave it as this. I'm going to add my chili and some coriander in there. A couple of tomatoes. tomato pieces. That's just to garnish it now, so that's pretty much mushroom bhaji done. So let me know what you think of this recipe, guys, on the comments below. Look forward to you guys making this dish at home. Really simple, really easy. You only need a few basic ingredients, as you've seen, and you can enjoy this part of the side dish. If you do want more, if you want to make it more saucy, yeah, by all means, guys, add a bit more water and let it just cook and make it into the consistency that you like. This is like a mushroom bhaji consistency I personally prefer. So that is done. It's time to just plate up now. Check it out, guys, our mushroom bhaji, just like the restaurant style, made at home. Absolutely, it smells delicious. And so enjoy this and see you in the next video.